Mapeplan PVC roofing systems are engineered to deliver long-term waterproofing performance, durability, and wind uplift protection across a wide range of low-slope commercial roofing applications. Whether mechanically attached or adhered, each system follows the same core principles of preparation, securement, and quality control to ensure consistent installation performance in the field. Proper installation begins with the right tools and equipment. Typical installation tools may include utility knives, fastening equipment, hot air welders, silicone rollers, automatic welding robots, weighted rollers, depending on the system being installed. Ensure all welding equipment is connected to a stable power supply and calibrated according to job site conditions before installation begins. Before each installation, proper substrate preparation is critical for long-term performance. Remove wet or damaged insulation. Inspect and repair all deck deficiencies before installation, and ensure the substrate is smooth, clean, dry, and debris-free before installing the membrane. Adhered systems installed with Mapeplan PWB bonding adhesive provide an adhered membrane assembly engineered for a safe and fast installation. Position the Mapeplan PVC FB membrane sheets according to the roof layout. Apply Mapeplan PWB bonding adhesive directly to the substrate using the recommended coverage rate. While the adhesive remains wet, roll the membrane into place carefully to avoid wrinkles and air entrapment. Complete installation using a weighted roller to ensure adhesion. Keep adhesive away from welding laps to maintain weld integrity. At the fleece-backed membrane end laps, install PVC trim strips at transition areas to create a continuous weldable surface and reinforce the seam. Extend the strips beyond the end lap and fully heat weld all edges in place. Complete all end laps the same day to prevent moisture intrusion and surface contamination. All systems require proper perimeter fastening, which helps reinforce critical edge conditions and maintain wind uplift performance. Provide additional mechanical securement at roof perimeters, penetrations, transitions, and elevation changes as required by system specifications. Make sure to perform test welds at the start of the day and whenever environmental conditions change. Adjust welder temperature and travel speed to identify the optimal weld window. A proper weld is confirmed when the membrane pulls apart and cleanly exposes the polyester scrim for the entire width of the weld, instead of separating at the welded seam. Use automatic welding equipment whenever possible to improve welding consistency and productivity. Ensure all seams are clean prior to welding and maintain continuous welds free of voids or gaps. Clean the welding nozzle with a steel brush to avoid carbon and accumulated residue buildup. Use hand welding for detail work, flashings, corners, and tight areas inaccessible to automatic welders. Follow a 2-pass welding method and apply consistent pressure using a silicone roller to ensure complete fusion. Once the membrane has cooled, probe all welded seams to verify weld integrity. Immediately repair any voids or deficiencies to maintain a watertight system. Contaminated membrane surfaces must be cleaned prior to welding for proper seam fusion. Use approved cleaners such as acetone to remove dirt and contaminants before completing heat welds. Your Mapeplan PVC roofing system is ready to deliver durability, efficiency, and long-term protection from the deck up. Polyglass protects your building from whatever may come. For more information, visit polyglass.us.